Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Kangundo Road, exactly 100 meters from the tarmac and exactly 25 miles from Nairobi CBD. The units I'm about to show you are not for the younger generation, neither are they for the older generation. These are units for the people who understand age, maturity, design, and classicness. So if you're out there a big fan of MJ and you are not willing to spend a fortune on a house, sit back and allow me to take you on a tour. The units behind me are 3-bedroom, single en suite with a plinth area of 130 square meters. The price of each unit is 6.5 million and each unit is built on a 50 by 100 lot. The units are in a gated community and they come with all basic amenities, including a kids play area, solar water heaters, and a 3-car park like this one. From here, I'm going to take you to this unit behind me, and you need to prepare your notebooks. It's gonna be lit. Let's do this. At the entrance of each unit, you are welcomed by a foyer like this one. Each unit comes with a front yard like this, and you have a backyard on the other side of the unit. I'll show you that later. Let's get inside. Wow, I like the contrast of this wall from the rest. This living room comes with these 3 windows that give you enough natural light. On top of that, you have a window there and a skylight up there. This wall acts as the focal point of this unit, and as you can see, it comes prepared for your TV set. Each unit comes with DSTV ready and internet connected. And also, you have this section here that is set aside for your other electronics. On the opposite side, you have the dining area. The bedrooms are on this side. And on my right hand side, you have the kitchen of this home. As you can see, this dining area comes with a very beautiful wall, but don't be tricked. It's a wallpaper. This dining area comes big enough to fit a table set of 4 to 6 people. And it comes with these 2 wall lights that lit your mood as you devour a home-cooked meal. This is the kitchen of this home. Just follow me. At the entrance of the kitchen, you have this space that is set aside for your refrigerator. Above it, you have an extra storage. Next to me, this kitchen comes installed with a cooking stove, and below it, you have an oven. This kitchen comes with sockets here and here for your other kitchen appliances. This is the sink area, and it comes ready with a cold water tap and a hot water tap. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and it comes with extra drawers here for your crockery and cutlery. On the opposite side, you have this space that is set aside to act as your pantry. And as you can see, the space is very well done. This space here is left for your microwave, and as you can see, we already have a socket in here. This door leads to the laundry area and the backyard. Let's have a look. The laundry area comes with these 2 spaces for your washer and dryer. On the opposite side, you have this space that is left for your gas cylinders. This backyard is on another level. Just picture yourself with your family seated here enjoying the evening breeze, or your children seated under that tree playing their favorite game. And you still tell me life is not interesting. Let's get back inside before I get mad. From the backyard, this is the bedroom area. At the center here, you have the 2nd bedroom or the guest room. The 1st bedroom is on my far left, and on my far right, you have the primary bedroom. Let's start with the 1st bedroom. Before we get into the 1st bedroom, you have an extra storage here. Just follow me. This is the 1st bedroom. And as you can see, it's a big space for your kids. And it comes with these 2 windows for maximum natural light. The closet of this bedroom is here. The storage space is big enough for your boys or your girls. The closet comes with this space for the suits, and you have 3 drawers down there. This space is left for your foldable clothes, and down there you can keep your shoes. From here, I'll take you to the shared toilet. At the entrance of the shared toilet, you have a wash basin here. But I don't get the purpose because you already have another wash basin in here. The bathroom comes with a water closet, and on this far end, you have the showering area. This bathroom comes with all the basic amenities, and from here, I'll take you to the guest bedroom or the second bedroom. This is the smallest of the bedrooms, and it can also be used as the employee quarters. Its closet is here, and it's slightly smaller compared to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. The closet comes with a sectioned part here, and here you have a space for your suits and 3 drawers down there. You also have an extra space up here. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with its closet here and its bathroom here. On the opposite side, this bedroom comes with these 3 windows that give you maximum natural light while you are enjoying time here with your partner. Let me show you the closet. This closet comes with 2 similar sections for you and your partner. And the closet also comes with an extra storage on this far end. Interesting. From here, I will show you the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with its wash basin here, a water closet, and on this far end, you have the shower cubicle. This is the biggest of all the bathrooms, and that's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the video, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, please contact us with the number in the first comment. That's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. Man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move.